Supermarkets, retail stores, warehouses, loading docks. These areas have one thing in common: high volumes of traffic, both pedestrian and mechanical. And with traffic comes massive wear, tear and damage. Stock carts clipping corners, pallet trucks crushing product racks. Nothing is safe. Your typical bollards do not stand up to the task of durable, cost-effective protection. Installation is a nightmare. Then comes the maintenance. The FlexCore bollard is designed to take an impact and transfer the energy to the absorbing core, keeping destructive forces at bay. Installed with only 3 bolts in under 10 minutes with no core drilling, cement or hassle, it can easily be relocated and never requires painting. An efficient, low-cost, quality product that will never sacrifice strength. Today McCue will be testing the overall strength and endurance of the FlexCore bollard. This flatbed cart may as well be blowing a kiss. A sledgehammer is disregarded as if it's the wind. Not even a pallet jack is cause for concern. Our McCue testers are pleased with their results. However, we'd be remiss if we weren't positive that our bollard could handle any backroom environment. Only the FlexCore bollard stands between 2,600 pounds of sugar and a hefty repair cost. Perseverance, intelligence, science overcome pure brute force. The FlexCore withstood a devastating blow, absorbing and redirecting the energy from the impact. Say goodbye to the time-consuming process involved with installing and maintaining bollards. By installing McCue's innovative product, not only will you be protected, growing repair costs will simply fade away.